All right, what's up everybody? So yesterday's video, we seen how Walmart looked on these shelves. Tomorrow, Snowmageddon is apparently hitting Nashville. Snowmageddon, Elsa's doing her magic with all the ice. Hopefully not. I'd rather have the snow, but let's go in Dollar General and see how their stock is in here. I'm gonna get some snacks and something kind of like affordable snacks, so when I get bored I can eat, then I can be like 400 pounds and hitting the gym after this snowstorm. But let's get inside and check out the shelves and see how everything is. Guys, hit that subscribe button, the little call to action before we walk in. All right guys, let's do this. And of course I get here like 3 minutes early, so they don't open up till 9 o'clock, and it's sitting here 8:57. So let's hang out a minute and we get in. Alright, well, snacks are still good, cookies are still good, chips looks like it's good. Let's see, these are still pretty good here. I want to go ahead and grab me a delicious Buddy Bars. Better get 2 of them. You never know. I got cookies at the house. Let's go down here. We'll do maybe a couple corn chips. So, pretty good deal when you think about it. Like, these things are just $1.25 for snacks and everything. Let's see, paper towels, still not too bad, a little empty, but tissues, I ain't had an issue with any tissues. Some bags there, let's see, you know, teas be good, you know what I want. I was just at Walmart, I should have got it, but some of these cans, food would be kind of neat. Maybe I wish had cocktail things, whatever, but I'll get me a couple SpaghettiOs. I'll do that. Wish they had cocktails, but they don't. Oh well. All the seasonings. Maybe get some pecan swirls. That'd be kind of good for a change. All right, how about, these are just minis, so I'll get a couple of them. Once in a blue moon, we'll go ahead and do that. Get one more chocolate one too. Look at the snack. Hopefully this lasts a whole week. We'll see. Alright guys, y'all want some Mary Jane? I don't know. Some of that. I don't know what else to get. I think we're pretty good. Alright, so that was, how much was that? $19 for snacks from Dollar Tree. So 2 bags, so that's $10 a bag. But yeah, not too bad. But like I say, they just opened up at 9 o'clock. I got here a little early, so I'm interested in seeing just how bare the shelves are going to be by closing time. But I'm not going to come back for that. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you liked the video. It's a short one, not really much to it, but there's a daily vlog nonetheless. But guys, I appreciate you as always, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.